Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix Zoom virtual background not working. So in here, I've already on the Zoom Workplace app, and I'm going to start a new meeting, and let's see if the virtual background options is there on my meetings. As you guys can see here, there's no virtual background in here, and you can click on more in here, and there are also no virtual background. So you can try to go to the Zoom settings. You can click on more in here, or you can just click on your profile at the top and go to settings, and here you'll find background and effects. In here you choose to I don't have a green screen, and here you can see virtual background, avatar, video filter, and studio effects. Here this is the virtual background, so you need to have a green screen to support virtual background. You can see there will be this option, so you can just turn it on if you want to. Let's click on virtual background. Still not working because I need a green screen. So let's start a new meeting again and use a third-party apps to have a virtual background. So you need to click on the apps option. Let's just wait and see if the virtual background apps is there. Okay, so you can see this is the virtual background options. So what you need to do is just click on the apps, and after that there will be virtual backgrounds that you can select it for your meeting. You can just choose which one and then tap on set background. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.